Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the parabola, part 7. We will continue looking at the focus and the directrix. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise, you can subscribe at the end. This video will continue with the theme of calculating the focus and directrix of a given parabola. This time we will be looking at the parabola which has been drawn. The equation of this parabola is y equals 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. In order to help us find the axis of symmetry and the vertex for this parabola, we will factorise the right-hand side. So this is the answer when we factorise the right-hand side, and we've seen how to factorise quadratic expressions and quadratic equations in earlier videos. The parabola intersects the x-axis where y equals 0. This occurs when 2x minus 1 equals 0 and where 2x minus 3 equals 0. That is, at x equals 0.5 and where x equals 1.5. The axis of symmetry runs through the midpoint of these 2 points. So the axis of symmetry is x equals 1. So there is the equation for the axis of symmetry. If we substitute x equals 1 into the equation, the vertex is at 1 minus 1. You must remember, the vertex always lies on the axis of symmetry. Here is the equation again, y equals 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. From the previous video, we will go through the 4 steps outlined earlier. The reason I'm doing this is because they are so important, and if you follow them to the letter, you'll have no problems. No problems at all in finding the focus and the directrix. Find the axis of symmetry. We have seen that the axis of symmetry is x equals 1. That's the first step. Step 2. Find the vertex. We have seen that the vertex is 1 minus 1. That's step 2. Step 3 is very crucial. Always ensure that the coefficient of the x squared is 1. If not, then rearrange the equation so that this is the case. For the above equation, divide both sides by 4. That's what happens when we divide both sides by 4. And when we simplify that, we have this equation here. Use the following equation to find the focus. This is step 4. 4f equals the coefficient of y. Now we mentioned this in the previous video. In this case, 4f equals 0.25. If we divide both sides by 4, we get f equals 0.25 over 4, which is 1 over 16. So f equals 1 over 16. So the focus is 1/16 of a unit away from the vertex, which means that the focus is at the point 1 minus 15 over 16. Okay, so we have to link those two together. See? If that's the vertex here at 1 minus 1, then the focus must be at 1 minus 15 over 16. Finally, the directrix is also 1/16 of a unit away from the vertex. Hence, the equation of the directrix is y equals minus 1 and 1/16. And that's how you find the focus and the directrix. Please follow those 4 steps to the letter and you will have no trouble at all. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle, tripod. Very straightforward, isn't it? I'll bet you got that one out. The answers to the quick quiz, and check through the video at any time. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You will receive a notification when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.